Counters. Using Streamer.bot. Those can be a great way to generate interaction and maintain audience retention. Let's say you're playing a pretty difficult video game and you keep dying in the game. You would have something like a death counter, and your viewers would want to pay more attention just so they can update that death counter. Now, it's the most common, but you can also have, I don't know, a sneeze counter. I know people that have a burp counter, hiccup counter. But the truth is, you can count anything. Let's jump into it. All right, how to make a death counter using Streamer.bot. Under the action tab, we're gonna add a new action and let's name it appropriately, death counter. Then click OK. Now, under sub actions, what we're gonna do is create a variable. So variables are a tiny piece of code that you put in the form of text that usually brings up data. For example, in Streamer.bot, if you type this in any part of text in a sub action, it will replace that with the name of the person who redeemed whatever action this is in. So that is a variable. I'm gonna right click. I'm going to go to core, and under globals, I'm going to click on global get. So here it says source. You wanna keep it on global. Variable name, we're gonna call it D counter, destination variable D counter, and we'll set default value to 0. Now we need something to tell it, hey, go up by increments of 1. So we're gonna right click, go to core, we're gonna go to globals, and now we're gonna go to global set. Under variable name, we're gonna type the name of our variable. It is case sensitive. You wanna type the exact same way. Then here, where it says argument, you wanna click on that and actually set it to increment. And you want to bump it up by increments of 1. You can put whatever you want, but you know. All right, now this is the part where you might wanna have a response in chat. When someone brings up that command, what's gonna happen? Depending on which platform you're on, if it's YouTube, you just go to YouTube, send message to channel. If it's Twitch, well, you go to Twitch, chat, send message to channel. And this is where you would type something like, Gil has died. So we're gonna put %D counter % times. Click OK. All right, now it's time to create the command. So under triggers here, we're gonna right click. We're gonna go to core, commands, command triggered. Since we don't have a command already, we're gonna create command. And now, make sure you can see everything. We're gonna name this the counter, !death. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to tick this. And then you can play around with the permissions, put a little cooldown. All right, click OK, and you should be done. Now let's pull up my chat to see if it works. So if I go in chat right now and I type !death, and it says I died 0 times, which is fine because we're just testing it, make sure it works. But now the next time someone types it, there you go. You can also set it to be 1 by default if you want. But at the first time someone redeems it, it actually displays 1.